Okay, hello and welcome. Chris here with a video review of Storm, which allows you to make commissions simply by copying and pasting from Pinterest. Now, before we get into my demo of Storm along with details of my bonus pack, I want to briefly back up and talk about how Storm actually works, because it works with one site in particular, which is Pinterest. And I'm sure you've heard of Pinterest. It's a social network that gets over 1 billion visitors each and every month, a large portion of whom tend to be American, and also people use Pinterest for e-commerce. They use it for sharing and saving products that they want to buy, and so it's very much a highly trafficked, highly valuable site filled with buyers. And just give an example of a site that's getting a ton of traffic from Pinterest. This is the traffic stats for Site Rubix, which is an internet marketing site builder. And these guys are driving over 10,000 uniques a month each and every month from Pinterest, and driving it typically to internet marketing sites. So it's not just visual kind of hobbyist and food stuff that people share on Pinterest. It's actually a whole range of products. Now, before we get into the demo and breakdown of how Storm works, if you do like this video, and you can actually create videos like this yourself using my Remixable software, which has just gone into version 2. So click in the description for access to the Remixable video creation tool, along with all of the other stuff that's included in Remixable. And as well as the video creation software itself, you'll also get done for you media, allowing you to promote daily affiliate programs, just like I'm doing here. And also in the description, you'll get access to my bonus package for Storm, and more on that in a second. So let's dive back into Storm and look at the 3 steps that you'll use with Storm. Now, the first step is to create a blog, and this is basically where you're going to drive traffic to by default. But this step isn't strictly necessary because you can drive traffic from Pinterest anywhere you want. The second step is to copy other people's content from Pinterest. You search a keyword and then pull that popular content into the graphics editor, and then from there in your browser you can edit it. And then step 3 is simply to post that content back into Pinterest with your affiliate link or website link attached. And so you can basically take proven pins, edit them, add your affiliate link and repost them back into the site. So it's a great software, and one that's proven to get a ton of traffic, as you can see from checking out the proof on the Storm site itself. However, there is one issue which I've remedied with my bonus pack, and that's fundamentally that with Storm you don't have a product to sell. And so what I've done is included 5 bonuses, and I'll keep these open at least until Friday night so everyone can get hold of them. The first bonus is Hook 'em, and the second bonus is Flip Me, and you can check those out below. They're basically products that Venkata has sold previously, and you can see exactly how they work. The 3rd, 4th and 5th products, however, are the main events. These are exclusive bonuses from me, which will allow you to create your own e-commerce products for any niche. And the reason this is so great is because you can basically share these designs back to Pinterest and generate commissions and sales of your own e-commerce products, which you can create in a matter of seconds. You'll get the Ecom Crusher, you'll get the Idea Maker, and you'll also get the Auto Designer as well. And one more thing I want to mention as well before we finish up, the upsell sequence and the OTOs for Storm, because there are a few of them and I don't think you need every single one. The one that I would recommend is Unlimited, which will allow you to create unlimited sites and share unlimited pins. And if you do get hold of Storm, I would highly recommend being able to create unlimited accounts, connect unlimited accounts, and share unlimited pins, because that's going to let you get unlimited traffic. Automation and overnight traffic you don't necessarily need. Overnight traffic, by the way, is allowing you to add your retargeting pixel to all of their sales letters. And if you are in the internet marketing niche, then this is something you should definitely check out. Otherwise, it's not strictly necessary. And OTO4 is Done For You, which will basically allow all of the Storm team to set up your campaigns for you, connecting it to Pinterest, building your sites, and actually sharing those pins. And that's something to consider if you're a complete beginner. Otherwise, the one that I would definitely recommend is Unlimited. Potentially check out overnight traffic if you're in the internet marketing niche, and otherwise I think you don't need any of them other than Unlimited. So that covers it for my demo, video review and bonus package. Like I say, be sure to get hold of my bonuses below. And lastly, if you do want to create videos like this one, then be sure to check out Remixable, which you'll also find in the description. It's going to allow you to create videos just like I'm doing here. It's going to allow you to create voiceovers, resell over $400,000 worth of my own products, build sales pages, and so much more. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Cheers.